is day 2. We are staying in a hotel just next to the highway, as I was saying earlier. Day 1 vlog was very small. I did not vlog much because it was a highway drive and we are used to the regular Bangalore to Belgaum road. When we go to Goa, we go through that. So from now, it is a new route for me. Like, I want to explore more and want to share you guys the same. So let's start day 2. So the plan for today is like we are going down to Gujarat. It's around 6 in the morning now. I hope we could reach there by 5:30, and then we'll head down to Rajasthan if time permits. So if not, we'll be like staying back in Gujarat. So that's it. That's for day 2. Stay tuned. Time is around 9 in the morning now. We have stopped for breakfast in the city called Satara. From here the landscape's gonna be completely different, not the regular ones what we saw from Bangalore till here. When we are traveling outside of our state, it's better to avoid our foods here because we ordered masala dosa. It was average. Chutney was a disaster. So it is going to be like beautiful landscapes from here.
The day started well. We just started with breakfast. The breakfast was okay, not so great, but still manageable. And we are heading towards Pune.
Everything is going good. Started day with a good vibe. Don't know how it's gonna be. Started with apple. ಊರು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು ಹೆವಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಂದಾಗ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
To Lonavala, and we just saw a boat saying the Ghat starts from here. So it is very beautiful in the monsoon times, but we did not come in a monsoon. We want to enjoy the north, the snow. We have planned 3 places here in Mumbai. One is the Gateway of India. Another one is Taj Hotel. And the last one, the Sea Link Road. So this is the plan we have. Let's go down to the Gateway. We have finally come down to the Taj Hotel. So this is Taj, and that is the Gateway. So it was a long-term plan, and finally this is happening. A good thing. There are 2 cabs actually, yeah. One is Nikhil's cab. visit to the gateway and hotel is over. The next plan is
Taj Hotel.
Taj Hotel. So we're gonna head down to Taj Hotel, have a cup of coffee, and then leave from here. And then we'll meet up in Atilia.
One coffee will be
200
to 800 bucks.
Huh?
400 to 800.
Seriously?
Yes.
We were stuck in some crazy traffic coming down from Bombay. The actual
we
plan
almost
is
stuck for more than 3 hours in Bombay.
3 hours like nil traffic. We could not move. The actual plan was to reach Surat and settle down for the day. But it's around 10 o'clock now. We did not have dinner, so we ended up in a place called Deccan Darbar. It looks decent, so we'll finish our dinner and then we'll try to reach Daman and stay at Daman today or before that. But the temperature is going very cold, seriously cold.
Veg pakoda.
And the next destination is going to be the Statue of Unity, around 3 hours of drive from here. That is going to be the day 3. And day 2 recap is we started from a place called Karad, and then we reached Mumbai by around 2 o'clock. And from 2 o'clock we spent some quality time experiencing so much of new things. We went to Taj, we went to the gateway of India, and we saw the Atilia, the premium house of India, through the Sea Link, and then we finally came out. We burned some.
We paid 200 rupees fine.
Yeah, we paid 200 rupees fine for not wearing mask, and around 3 hours in a serious Mumbai traffic. That was a nightmare. And then after a lot of struggle and dinner, we reached this place Vapi at around 12:30. The time is around 12:30 now. So, how was it, bro?
A horrible experience in Mumbai when coming to Surat. I don't know, my friend Pradeep and then Krishna, I don't know how they drive in those bloody shittiest traffic. Yeah, one thing, piece of advice is on particular weekends when people are traveling from Mumbai to Surat, avoid peak hours. Either you start early morning or late night so that you will not get stuck in traffic.
That's it. So this is day 2, and see you all guys in day 3. Bye bye.